I'm Louis Roodt. I'm a road engineer and lecturer at University of Stellenbosch, Department of Civil Engineering. My study involved road elements that has a safety implication if they are not maintained properly. Potholes are the most visible and probably irritating road feature that results from poor maintenance, neglect, and these potholes that should be prevented by just keeping the road properly sealed so that water doesn't ingress. When they develop, they go through stages of development and they become a road safety problem when they reach a degree of severity 3 out of 5. These are potholes with a dimension of 200 millimeters and up to 25 millimeters deep. By the time they reach degree 5, which is a 300 millimeter dimension and deeper in the order of 50 millimeters, then it is a safety hazard that cannot be excused. Hier is 'n slaggat wat reeds 'n graad 5 bereik het. Dit is so 200 mm, meer as 300 mm wyd, 3,5 meter lank, the depth more than 100 millimeters. And this is a type of pothole, if on a high-speed road, will trap the wheel, will cut the tire as it goes through, and should not be tolerated at all. Here you see the water splashing out the fine material which is lying there, and this pothole will progress very quickly as traffic goes through it. Hierdie tipe geïsoleerde slaggat is dan baie gevaarlik. As dit reën, is hy toe met water. Mense sien dit nie, verwag dit nie. Reg in die wielspoor. So dit is uiters gevaarlik. This is an example of where the legal duty has not been provided. It is unsafe and unacceptable from a maintenance point of view. I also make recommendations in terms of the inspection frequency as well as response times to fix these hazardous conditions. For potholes, when the road is in a good condition, the inspection cycle can be annually, but as soon as the road have deteriorated and potholes and other failures start being apparent, the inspection frequency must come down to a month, 2 weeks, depending on how quickly the unsafe conditions develop. This is also seasonal. Potholes develop much more rapidly in rainy conditions because water goes into the sublayers. It erodes the fine material from the pothole, which is very evident. There's always some loose material around the pothole. Jou graad 3 slaggate, by dan moet die pad reggemaak word. Die ideaal is uiteraard dat die pad reeds vroeër dit reggemaak word om daardie toestand te vermy, maar die onderhoud is word agterweë gelaat in ons land en dit is 'n realiteit dat slaggate ontwikkel, maar my studie toon dan aan dat ons nie net op normale instandhoudingsbeginsels begin ingryp nie, maar ook op die vlak van padveiligheid. En dan behoort ons nie slaggate groter as 'n graad 3 toe te laat nie.